We have to take sandpaper and rub our bowl continuously and it giving the smooth surface outer side and upper top we have to smooth it with the sandpaper. Now we have to take at least 2 TBSP Multani Mitti powder and add 1 TBSP Fevicol in it, and we have to add water in it and make a batter like solution. It should not be very thick, it should be a like pakoda batters. We have to make a thick paste of this Multani Mitti pack, and afterward we have to apply on the all surface of this ball. If any pores are there, if any cracks are there, so still we have to fill with this pack. Two coatings of pack is applied on the pot surface, so it will be get smoother, and any holes are there we have to fill with this. We have to take red fabric color and fill all the outer surface of this ball. Here this is copper dust, and now we have to blow on this wet surface of red fabric color, and you have to see the pot is converted into a reddish copperish color. So this way we have to paint another ball. This is the second method of coloring. After dry the outer surface, we will take red color and fill it completely. भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. After filling the red color, we will sprinkle copper dust here. You have to see our copper dust and reddish color beautiful pot is ready. With the help of glue gun, we have to paste the lace around this ball and we have to decorate it. The another ball, we have to just paste the laces and gotas around this ball. Decorate it with mirrors. We have to arrange mirror all the side so it looks awesome. Now we have to use the golden spray. Here instead of golden spray we can use the golden color also and leave them 20 to 30 minutes for dry. Now we have to take another ball on this, as if you have seen the block painting is going on. With the help of glue gun, here we are going to paste a different kind of stones that enhancing the beauty of this ball. With the help of red color, we can giving the traditional touch of this ball. So here on this multani mitti paste, we have to decorate it with red and green color and giving this pot into a traditional look. And decorate it with stones. This is showing the traditional look of bowl. Now you can keep fruits on it and decorate on the dining table, or any other material we can keep in it. We can utilize the bowl for flower arrangements also, or we can decorate on the center table. Now I am guiding you the third method of decoration of the pot and how to paint the pot in a glossy look. For this we need butter paper. Here you have seen I have a one bowl in which the nose is there and the lower surface we have just make a stand like structure. Now I am tearing the paper of butter paper and make into a very small pieces. Now here I have taken one bowl and in it I add water in Fevicol, and with the help of brush we will mix it well and make a thin paste of Fevicol. Our paste is ready. Now we will take a ball, and this is butter paper pieces. So we have to paste this on the surface of this ball because we want to make this ball shiny impact. So first of all we will apply the paste of this Fevicol in water, and then we have to arrange butter paper such a manner it will be overlap with each others, and we have to cover this surface again the layer of Fevicol. This way we have to cover whole the surface. Now you have to see here I am overlapping the paper on other surface, and this way we have to overlap all the paper and cover whole surface with this butter paper, and due to the impact of this Fevicol it get dry, so it will be a shiny impact. And now we will fill the skin tone and giving the shading and all, and giving the human face structure, so it's convert into a beautiful pot. Now here we have made the toaster also. Now you have to see how it looks like after completing. I hope you feel pleasure to see this. Now this way our pot is ready. See the beauty of the bowl. You can keep inside it any money plant bowl and you can decorate. This pot is made with the glass and wires. Here you can see we have to take the 4 toothpicks and make the legs. I feel you enjoy making this kind of pen pencil stand.